What is the amount of money you actually need to start a dropshipping business? Well, it is the question everybody asks in the first place, and frankly, the wrong question. The responses that you will receive are typically a trap. You will hear two extremes, just $100 from a guru who is attempting to sell you a dream, or even $5,000 or more from someone who still thinks with a 2018 playbook. Well, both are dangerous. The former will leave you with a pretty site that does not sell. The second one will make you believe that you will never begin, and that is just impossible. But 2026 is different. The real answer is actually a financial algorithm. Let me explain. The old model involved you having to make upfront payments of 3 huge sunk costs before you saw a single dollar of revenue. First, inventory risk. You were forced to purchase 50, 100 or even 500 units of a product that you were hoping would sell. Second is brand infrastructure. You spend money on web design, logo design and professional product photography. The third is speculative advertisement. You spend hundreds of dollars and untested ads in the hope that something would go viral. The model was not opening a business, it was purchasing a very expensive lottery ticket. The 2026 model breaks down these 3 costs down and in most cases remove them as early obstacles. It transformed the economic game from a high-risk gamble into a low-risk step-by-step investment in certainty. And I will show you the new math bit by bit. By 2026, when you are paying for inventory before a customer has paid you, you are already losing. Here is how it's worked now. A customer pay you $85, then the system charges you $45 to make and deliver the item. You sell first and then you fulfill. You are not buying product in bulk and hoping to they sell. You are responding to real demand. And this removes bulk inventory risks. However, you still need small working capital to handle payment timing, refunds and processing delays. So it is low risk, not careless risk. And the amount of starting capital you need for bulk inventory is essentially zero. Any platform that forces you to buy stock upfront is selling you the past. The cost number 2 is your store infrastructure and brand. The old way, a web developer for $2,000, a logo designer for $500, custom photography, custom branding, forget it. Because platforms like DOBA handle the heavy lifting for you, product sourcing, bulk listing imports, automated fulfillment, even setting up your store infrastructure. So you don't have to start from scratch. On top of that, you will get research and optimization tool that let you see what works and make smarter moves. And most beginners can realistically get started without blowing a fortune or building everything piece by piece. You are essentially subscribing to ready-made infrastructure that scales with your business. And here's the deal. For just 99 cents, you can jump into DOBA trial and access research and validation tools, test products, explore the market and figure out what actually works before you invested another dime. And this is your first step toward a real growing store. So don't wait and start now with DOBA. Alright, now the cost number 3 is product research and validation. The new budget around $9.99, and this is where 2026 is completely different from the past. You do not spend this money on hope, you spend it on structured testing. So here's the sequence. First, you can use AI Picker inside DOBA AI Hub to discover products and analyze them with AI powered tools. You don't randomly browse, you filter for things like high profit margin, reliable supplier, fast shipping, strong early demand signals. These tools analyze large amount of supplier and marketplace data to help shortlist products with strong potential. They are not predicting viral trends, they are not guaranteeing success, they are helping you make data supported decisions. And this replaces emotional guessing with structure filtering. For just $9.99, you can unlock 30 AI Picker users to research products in depth. Or if you want to start small, try out DOBA with the 99-cent trial first and see how it works for you. It answers the key question, what should I test? Now once you have your shortlisted of 3 to 5 products, you pick one. And this is the product you test. You take its strongest benefit, often written in the product description, and turn it into your ad headline. Then you run a small validation campaign of around $10. Your Facebook ad is not gambling, it is testing a hypothesis. You are not asking the market, do you like this? You are saying the data suggests this should work. Let's verify it. And if you receive clicks, sign-ups or add to carts, you are confirming real interest. And that $9.99 is not wasted. It buys you clarity. It gives you feedback that would have cost thousands in the past. And when we break it down, inventory risks will become none, store infrastructure handled by you, product validation ads small budget. Your minimum resources for validation are modest. This is all you need to build and test the system before scaling. And now earlier I mentioned discount. Don't forget to grab the coupon code in the description to unlock your DOBA subscription discount. And that keeps things transparent and safe. The first scale capital requirement. Now you might ask, what about real scaling costs? Well, that is really a good question, and this is where working capital matters. After your $10 test proves demand, you turn on real ads. Suppose product cost is $85 and COGS is $45. Your first orders arrive. You must pay $45 to the supplier immediately, but your payment processor may release your $85 later. So you need float, and this is not a startup cost, this is circulating capital. Customer pay you, you pay supplier, and you keep profit. And this money rotates. You should keep $100 to $200 as operational float to handle early orders smoothly. It is not money you lose, it is the money that keeps the engine running. And the real 2026 answer. So the truthful 2026 answer has two levels. Level 1 is the validation budget, that is from $40 to $80. This proves your model. Level 2 is the operational floor, that is from $100 to $200. This powers fulfillment. Realistically, starting responsibly means having around $150 to $300. Anything far beyond this at the beginning is usually unnecessary. You are not paying for products, you are not paying for fancy branding, you are not gambling. You are paying for intelligence and proof. And this changes everything. The capital barriers is no longer than main obstacle, because clarity and execution are. The skill is following the algorithm, use AI tools to identify signals, spend $10 to test, build infrastructure for $30 to between $70 and maintain $200 float. It is not the person with the most money who wins in 2026, it is the person who optimizes the most with limited capital. And it is about finding real demand at the low cost as possible. And the tools have made testing almost affordable for anyone. And what matters now is mindset. So ask the right question, not how much money do I need. Ask, am I willing to spend $40 to know whether my idea is real or fantasy? And the first question is about your bank account. The second question is about your attitude. And in 2026, mindset and execution decide everything. Now earlier I mentioned discounts. At the time of recording, DOBA is offering around 10% discount on their plans. So you can check the link in the description to grab it. And just keep in mind, promotion can change. So always verify the final price on the checkout page before purchasing. Alright, so that is for now. Hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any question related to this video and regarding DOBA, then definitely let me know in the comments. And before going, hit that subscribe button and that like button too. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now.